Role play 28. Discussion with stranger when we meet for the first time. A person meets a stranger who is not from his country. It is his first meeting with that stranger, so he wants to know about him. He comes to the second person, who is not from his country, and starts talking with him. The talks go as follows.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine. And how are you?
I am fine too, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Habib.
Well, Habib, what is your father's name?
My father's name is Zamaruddin.
Where do you belong?
Yes, I belong to India.
You are from India. Well, what is your complete address?
Yes, my complete address is house number 6, Asariyah apartment, Jogabai, Jamia Nagar, Akla, New Delhi.
How old are you?
I am 43 years old.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married, alhamdulillah.
What is your occupation?
I am a teacher.
Okay, Mr. Teacher, how long have you been living here?
I have been here for years.
So, you live alone here or do you live with your family?
No, I am with my family.
Why have you come here?
I have come here for my job.
Your job is a government or a private one?
Yes, my job is government, and I'm here as a government teacher.
That is very good.
Yes, it is. Alhamdulillah.
Mashallah, have you gotten a flat from the government or do you live in your rental flat?
Yes, I have been given everything by the government.
Happy to know. How is your flat?
This is a very good flat.
I've heard that government flats are good. What floor do you live on?
I live on the 5th floor.
How many children do you have?
Yes, I have 4 children, 3 sons and 1 daughter.
Where do your children study?
They study in a government school here.
So, you pay the fee or the government pays?
No, the government pays the fee.
Masha Allah, you are so lucky.
Alhamdulillah.
Did you like my country?
Yes, I like this country so much, and I am very happy here.
Wow, thank you.
You are welcome, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your time. I am leaving you now. We'll meet again. Insha'Allah. Insha'Allah.
Okay, thank you too. We'll see you soon, inshallah.